from? Fabian and Tyson. Preston's first Christmas. Alright, I'm just going to take this away, okay? Ready? Ready? Look, look, look. I'm going to help you. There you go. I'm going to help you. What did Phoebe and Tyson give you? Haha. This way. Haha. Ready? What are these? These are Ugg booties. Oh my goodness. Look. Where are you gonna go? You gonna go in the snow with these? Hmm? You like them? I'm gonna have to give a kiss to Phoebe and Tyson, okay?